Hello, welcome to the Getting Started tutorial series. I'm Samuel Light Damwa, and I'm going to take you throughout this whole tutorial series. And in this tutorial series, we are going to learn about the basics of Lesscode. This is a new tutorial series we are doing with a new interface to get you started and make sure that you have everything you need to build awesome websites. Now, I've actually logged into the application and I've made my browser full screen to make it easier for me to deal with it. Let me just go back. I'm just going to go out of full screen mode and I'm just going to go to our website. So basically, Lesscode is a platform that allows you to bring your ideas to life, and we are currently targeting the kind of person that has an idea that wants to bring it to life without using quite a lot of money or resources. You don't have developers to bring it to life, you have some time. And I must say, this software is not for everybody. This software is for people who actually have time or want to spend a little bit of their time to work on the projects and the things that they care about, because when you do it yourself you get better results. And we've made it very easy. Anyone at all can build websites, mobile applications, web applications with this software without any stress at all. All the hosting and everything is done by us. You just build your software, push it online, and then you're done. That's basically it. So our pricing starts from 25 cities per month, but you'll be happy to know that you can start building websites for free without having to pay anything. So the first thing you'd want to do is probably sign up. Okay, so you need to sign up, create an account, and then you log in. And when you log in, it takes you to this page where you have this here. I would like to go back into full screen mode so that we can see the application in its full view and it becomes easier for us to work. So basically, this is the first video, and in the first video I'm working on this website. This website is for another tutorial, the car dealership. This tutorial is also free on our YouTube channel as well as on our website. And this tutorial basically allows you to build a specific website that we are a car dealership one-page website, responsive and everything. You can even launch it and put it online. We have several other tutorials, so if you click on the tutorials button, it should probably take you to the tutorials page where we can have that. Let's just click on it and let's go back. Let's go to the YouTube channel. So in our YouTube channel, you can see that we have these tutorials here also, we have the level up tutorials, part 1 and part 2. This one, as well as with the Sabers one, is actually teaching you how to build specific websites, not basically the essentials of Lesscode. So what we are doing in this tutorial is the essentials of Lesscode. It's being redone, and I think we can just go back to where we came from, and so I'm just gonna go back to where we came from and go back to our full view. So we have that, and we can do that. So one of the first things that we want to learn about in the first video is creating a website. Okay, so now that you've logged in, I'm sure you are ready to jump into building a wonderful website, and we are going to do that. And I'm just going to open this website for you to see a sample of a website that can be built with Lesscode, and it's not that difficult to build. Okay, so I hear you. Okay, so it seems my online connection is quite slow, so the images are going to load a bit slower, but anyway, hey, it doesn't really matter. As long as you can get online, you don't need a lot of data. As long as you can get online and start using this application, that's cool. And this tutorial, along with the template that we are building, which we designed ourselves, is all the assets that you're going to need to build this website is on the other tutorial. So let's come back and start afresh. Let's start afresh, and we are going to start by creating a website. The first thing you need to know when you're creating a project is you need to read. And in Lesscode, you need to read the instructions that come. It's very, very, very important for you. If you don't read them, you're going to make mistakes, and later it's going to cost you when you're building your website. So first, generate a new project. No spaces between words. Use hyphens instead. So I didn't say you should use lowercase. It doesn't really matter, but the best thing is to use lowercase. It's very important that you do. So we are going to name the website. And one of the things that you need to realize is that don't make the name of the project too long. Make sure it's under 13 characters. Why? Because it tends to be too long, and when you generate demo um, your demo link for people to take a look at it, it's amazingly long. And it's best practice in Lesscode to keep your project names below 13 characters. So I'm going to type getting started. Okay, so I'm getting started. Let's see, how many characters are these. I don't know, this is basically like somewhere between 8, 12. It's more than 13 characters, and this is basically a problem because I did say we shouldn't make our characters so long. And you can just leave it be, build your website, push it online, that's fine. But I'm just going to okay, so I'm just going to do a hello world. Sorry, so I'm just going to do a hello world. That's interesting. So I'm just going to do a hello world here, and we can start up our website. So I'm just going to click submit, and as you can see, I have my website created for me. Now these buttons are quite important buttons that we are going to come back later to it, but I'm going to explain what each of these buttons do. I'm going to start from the far right. The first button here edits your website. The next button, as you have guessed already, deletes it. This button actually clones this website, but it has been turned off. Okay, but in this case you can enable it as you actually license this website. You can enable it. And then we have the license. When you click on this, you can license this website. We are going to get into more details in a later video. And right, you can build your website without license in it, and that's exactly what we are going to do in the basis of this video until we get to the point where we actually need to license it. And we have this button that actually creates a host once you have licensed your website. If you click on this without licensing the website, nothing is going to happen. You need to have a license, a legitimate license created for the website before you can create a host. And these are basically the buttons here. So first we are just going to click on this button to just edit our website. Okay, so we are met with an empty view, and I'm going to go through all these in the next video. Right now we've been able to create our website and we've entered into the website. We are going to build great things. So I'm going to start in the next video. I'm going to show you what each of the interface elements here mean, what they do, so that you actually know your way around the interface. Then we can start. It's very simple. So thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video.